I think we'll get done for copyright with this song, man. It must be on TikTok. Hey guys, Sydney Food Boy here, and there's not a lot of South American barbecue in Sydney, but I found out about one recently in Smithfield of all places, so let's go check it out today. Hello, how are you? Nice to meet you, yeah.
Nice
What's your
to
name?
meet you too. I'm Rachel.
Rachel.
This is Carlos.
Nice to meet you, Carlos.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Carlos.
And my name is Rachel. We've been established here almost 9 years, and the name is Mr. Chorizo Parilliada. This is our side job. We started off with festivals and doing catering, and now we've got this little family restaurant in Smithfield on the Horsley Drive. So our signature dish is the beef asado and chorizo. So we got a few different chorizo. We got the Spanish one, the Argentinian one. We also have smoky chicken chorizo. Then we also have different cuts like lamb cutlets, pork belly, chicken skewers, chicken pompona. That's something that comes from Uruguay, something that we make in a house.
So what's got marinade?
Just salt and
Everything,
pepper.
even the chicken.
The chicken gets marinated with my sauce. This is the asado. This is the number one. If you don't have this in the shop, they will walk back out. Yeah?
I'm so keen.
So that's
400 and something 5-star review.
Make that 401. I haven't even tried the food yet. I haven't tried the food yet, but I know. The barbecue looks amazing and I'm super excited. We ordered a bit of everything. There's this plate called the Masita, I think it's called. You get a bit of everything. So you get the beef ribs, you get the lamb, you get the chicken, you get chorizo. So keen. We just got a bit of empanada to try before that comes through. So this one looks like the beef one. Beef is classically what they eat in South America, I believe. And that's a chicken one. So, cheers. Oh, the pastry is really nice. And the meat inside, juicy, very juicy. Tell you what, that is a very good empanada. Like, I don't think I've had a better empanada than this actually. Now they've given us a bit of their homemade chimichurri as well, which they pretty much serve with all the meat. So I'm gonna chuck a little bit on, just to try it out. Not too much. You don't want to overpower the beef. Oh wow, that's good. A bit that. That's really good, bro. Oh, I can't wait to taste the meat with that. This is some sort of chicken empanada, I believe. Yes, sir. That doesn't do anything. All right. Just know that it's quite flaky. It's very crispy. Look how flaky it is. This one tastes like a chicken pie. I believe this is what they call a Russian salad. That's the Russian salad we got. Oh, that's so soft, but yeah, that's potato, corn, carrot, peas. It's almost like a garlic sauce. Or maybe that's just the chimichurri on my spoon. Ooh, here we go.
You eat this first and just pork belly. I even put your black pudding to try it.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Appreciate it.
The Spanish
Appreciate it.
chorizo, the Argentinian chorizo, 2 lamb cutlets, 2 chicken skewers, 2 pork neck, and asado.
This is what they call the completo macizo. I think it's good. The intestine itself is called the chinchulines. Carlos over there told us the first thing we should eat here is chinchulines. I love eating intestines. Crispy on the outside, intestine stuck on the inside though. I like intestine, so I like this. I feel like it's a bit of an acquired taste though. What should we try first? Pork belly first. And you got to get some chimichurri on it. Beautiful. That's amazing. Just chimichurri, man. I don't even know what to say, I'm speechless. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna say it. This chimichurri is magical, man. I'm gonna try the lamb cutlet next. Alright. Whoa. Love it. Love it. The lamb cutlet just melts in your mouth. Juicy, delicious. And they don't even season it, like, just put a little bit of salt. That's it, you know, no other marinade. But just that little bit of salt is all you need. And make sure you clean this bone up, man. Alright, what's next? Pork neck. Alright, wow, look at the juices rolling off that one. I believe this pork neck's a little bit marinated, but it has this bit of a Swedish taste to it. Hold up. I need some of this. I feel like I need rice or bread or something, you know? I wonder if you can order rice here. Gotta try the chorizo. Their name is Chorizo. They told me they have one which is like sort of like a South American, Uruguayan, Argentinian type of chorizo, and another one which is like a Spanish chorizo. So this is the traditional South American one, the one that they do for barbecue. Oh, marvelous spices in that. Herbs. Has like this mild savory taste to it. Outside's like crispy. Chimichurri's magical. I'm really craving like a bread, bro. I can't stop thinking about a bread. Do you reckon have like banh mi around here? Is there a bakery? I've got to ask for bread, sorry. Excuse me. You wouldn't happen to have like a bread or some sort? I feel like an arsehole asking for bread.
Do you want to have it here?
Yeah, thank you. I just thought it would be nice with the chorizo. Alright, Spanish chorizo. Oh, look how juicy this looks. Hold on, hold on. Woo! Make a little hot dog, yeah? This is why I was craving the bread. I feel like this is the best way to eat chorizo. That way you get all the juices soak in. Alright, we got our round 2 chimichurri because we smashed the first one. You know, just look at that. Look at this beautiful creation. This is why you need bread. Alright. You need bread, guys. You see how you're getting all that sauce coming through in the bread and soaking through? That's the flavor. That's what happens when you eat it with bread. Gorgeous, man, gorgeous. Beef rib time, beef rib time. Asado, asado. Surely this is the best way. Beautiful. I love meat. I'm just gonna say it now, man. Oh, I love it, man. A bit of salt on the meat is really all you need, and the chimichurri. This beef meat is juicy too. And this has been sitting here for like at least 10-20 minutes while we've been eating all the other meat. Yum, man.
So how's everything over there?
So good.
Enjoying it?
Yeah, very good. Chimichurri is amazing.
You like the chimichurri?
Can I have the recipe? Nah, I'm joking.
My glasses box sunny style, eh? Mr. Chorizo. I've got something funny on the phone. Look what he did, it was amazing. Look at this, no time to relax. Because I never stopped working with my glasses, and he took out the head of James Bond and he put no time to relax.
You look good in a James Bond suit, man. Last one. This is a blood sausage. I find it really interesting how like all these different cuisines have so many things similar. We're halfway across the world, but you'll see blood sausage in Asia. In Korea, you have sundae. Chinese cuisine, you have blood sausage too. Oh, that smells really good. Let's go without the chimichurri first. Like a meaty, oniony taste. Really bouncy. Good stuff. Alright, your turn to eat, bro. Oh, water tastes so good. As if we haven't eaten enough food already. I told the owner we really loved the empanada in the beginning, and then she's like, we do a sweet one, you know? This is pretty much the dessert empanada. Apparently it has dulce de leche in it, and then it has vanilla ice cream too. Okay, let's crack this open. Oh, okay. Whoa. Gotta get some ice cream, yeah? Oh yeah. When you eat it with the vanilla ice cream, it's really good. For those of you who don't know, I'm not a sweet tooth, so I'm definitely more like a savory dude. I really like ice cream, and yeah, that's all I have to say about it. Wow, man, that was amazing. I think my favorite's probably the beef asado and the chorizo. The lamb cutlets, that was really nice, but I think the thing that brings this place all together is the chimichurri. So when you add the chimichurri with all the meats, it's so good. Come out here, amazing place, guys. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe to the channel if you want to come on weekly food adventures. See you on the next one. Bye. This is the face of the handsome man that I will let choose my DIY hot pot today. Why each ball? Because I know Kevin loves balls. Every single ball. Oh my goodness. This bowl is like when you take your little brother for the first time to Malatang, puts everything